Hi, this is Guy from Permobil. Keeping your wheelchair and its accessories clean and disinfected is an important but often overlooked part of routine maintenance. It can help ensure your product look good, continue to function well, and most importantly, it can help to limit the spread of bacteria and viruses. Today we will take a look at how to clean some of the most common Permobil products. Bodilink accessories and comfort accessories are simply to clean and disinfect. For all accessories, separate the cover and inserts from the hardware. To clean the hardware, hand wash using warm water with soap and a sponge. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry with clean cloth before allowing to air dry completely. To disinfect the hardware after cleaning, wipe gently with a cloth dampened with household disinfectant. Rinse with clean warm water and wipe dry with a clean cloth and then allow to air dry completely. For cleaning the covers, remove inserts from the covers first and hand wash in warm water with mild soap. Rinse thoroughly with a clean water and air dry completely before use. Alternatively, machine wash the cover in warm water with common laundry detergent. Tumble dry low. Remember not to steam clean, autoclave or iron the cover. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, hand wash in warm water using 1 part household bleach per 9 parts warm water. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and allow to air dry completely before use. For cleaning the inserts, wipe lightly with a damp cloth, making sure not to use a soap. Wipe the inserts off with a clean cloth. Allow to air dry flat completely. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. For more detailed information and tips on cleaning your Permobil accessories, consult your Cushion's user manual. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. We hope that this video has been helpful, and remember to always refer to your owner manual for cleaning and care recommendations for your specific product. If you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer or contact the Permobil customer care team.